Hey guys, so today's video is going to be an oatmeal raisin cookie recipe. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up before you go, and please subscribe to my channel. Also, I want to thank you guys for 1,000. I hit it a few days ago and I was super excited and I'm very appreciative. So thank you to everyone who subscribed to me and new subscribers as well. But yeah, let's just get right on into the video. In a medium-sized bowl, you want to cream together your room temperature butter, brown sugar, and white sugar. Then you want to sift in your all-purpose flour, cinnamon, cloves, baking powder, and baking soda. Then you want to add in your soaked raisins, and you just do that by adding your eggs to a small bowl, adding in your vanilla extract, mixing that together, and then adding in your raisins, and just let that sit out for an hour. Then you want to add in your rolled quick oats, and you just want to mix all of this together until all the ingredients come together. Once your dough is finished, you want to line a cookie sheet with some parchment paper, and you want to use a cookie scoop or a spoon and create the size you want your cookies to be. Once that's done, you can now set these in the oven at 350 for around 10 to 14 minutes. And that is it for the finished recipe. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you try out this recipe, let me know in the comments how you liked it. Also, make sure to check out the description for all the measurements for this recipe and the original recipe link. But yeah, I'll see you guys next week with a new video. Bye guys!